Hi guys, today I am gonna tell you about a policy that is running through WhatsApp groups and Facebook groups. That policy is totally out of post and not created by YouTube, and that is not original policy. Here in my inbox, I got this policy from many YouTubers when I was dealing with them for subscribe offer. Here is the policy. Remember YouTube spam policy, so please follow. This policy is saying that first watch the video for 1 minute. First thing, second like, then subscribe and bell. Also, some people mention here comment as they want. I got from another YouTuber this policy, and I was never dealing with him. Here I got from this YouTuber this policy again, and this policy is totally against of spam policy that is originally posted by YouTube. Here I am showing that artificial traffic spam. Here YouTube saying itself that artificially increases the number of views, likes, comments or other metrics. It means if you are offering someone else, someone other YouTuber for subscribe offer, then if you are following this policy is totally against, as you see that in artificial traffic spam, YouTube prohibiting you from views, increases in views, likes and comments artificially. If you will say any other YouTuber must like, watch for 1 minute and then comment, then subscribe, and this is I think totally against this policy that is given by the YouTube. So avoid this policy. This will totally affect your channel. This is work like cancer your YouTube channel. If you like my video, then please must subscribe my channel and press bell icon for my further future videos. See you next time. Take care. Bye.